Everything is possible, so I have built my own robot.
Eddie, wake up, Eddie.
Yes. I am alive. Destination or task?
Soon you will get a task. People are asking me all the time, each day, like what he can do. He can do a lot. He can do really a lot, but first, Eddie, no lights. You blinding me.
Light off.
And the camera also. You can do a lot. It depends what you need, what you want, and what he really wants. But there is one really. Don't listen to me now.
Okay. I will wait now
Yes, that's a good. Yeah, that's
for
right.
next task or command.
The next command you will get something like this. But it's really advanced technology and nobody can do that like Eddie can do. And I will show you this just right now. What you can do now, Eddie. Nothing. He's so shy. But Eddie. Boom, Eddie. Boom, Eddie.
But for what we're looking for, there is so many things around.
He's really
What
interested about
should I
everything.
do now?
Eddie. Boom, Eddie. Like Chappie from the movie.
Boom.
Boom. Nobody can do that.
It is cool now.